If you don't know how you want to display out certain datas, then what you can do is you can use something called templates. So here I am in the home page of Data Studio, Google Data Studio right here. And on the top, you can see that besides blank report, you can select out a template and use that out as a layout for any data source, any data report that you want to make. So if I were to go around and click on this tutorial report right here, then what happens is that you see a preview of how this would look like, as you can see. So let me just click on no thanks right here. So you can see that this is what you have. You got the edit and you got different things that you can see right here. So now what you can do is you can go around and then you can start this out. So I'm going to go around over here and then click on make a copy right here, and you can copy out the report. And what happens is that it creates out a report based on that particular template. So you can see that it is actually making this out. So over here right now I'm editing that particular template. So you can go around right here and move the file out and edit it according to how you like it. So all of the data that you see right here is pre-made. So let me just go around onto the home page by clicking over here. And then here you can see that you can access out more templates from the template gallery, and you can see all of the templates right here, just like this. And you can filter it out according to, let's say, Google Sheets right here, or let's say if it is for Google Ads right here, you can go around and then you can filter it out according to how you want, and relevant template will be displayed out just like this, as you can see. You can also go around onto templates right here on the left and access the template gallery as well. And that is how you can use templates inside of Google Data Studio. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.